Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the frequently asked questions on the Pocket Love Good Life Sim application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And go to the three lines at the left upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings icon. And in the help section next to the settings, click to the frequently asked questions button. And this site you have more information about the application and how to play with this app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.